Oh, hi, John. Hi, Neil. How's it going? Ah, yeah, it's okay. How is life up on the third floor? Ah, well, recently we've been very busy up on the third floor. Yeah, up on the sixth floor we've been really busy too, getting ready for the summer. Ah, yeah. How is your boss nowadays? Is she okay? Yeah, yeah. She just started here around 6 months ago and took some time to settle in and for us all to get used to her new way of working. Ah, yeah, it can take that when we get a new boss. But is she nice? Oh, yeah, she's really nice and friendly. We all like her a lot. Ah, that's good, that's good. What time are you going to finish today? Ah, today I will leave the office around 5 p.m., I think. I need to get home for 5:30 and pick up the kids. Oh, yeah. How are your kids doing? Ah, they're both doing well. They both are at primary school now, and they like it a lot. Ah, that's good, that's good. Okay, this is my floor. I'm gonna go. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.